Hello everybody, so this is my first video on the channel Daniel the Runner, and I'm going to be showing you how to make overnight oats using my personal favorite recipe. So what you're going to need is a container for the oats, 1/4 cup to actually get everything. I also recommend 1/2 cup if it fits in everything you'll use it for. Rolled oats, protein powder, I like strawberry, sweetener, and I use this ground flaxseed, although if there are alternatives, you can use those. So first you put in the oats. You want in total 1/2 cup. I like to put a tiny bit extra just to make sure I hit that 1/2 cup mark. Next, you're going to want whatever liquid you choose. I use a mix of almond milk and water, which is why it's not initially included. Though, if you want to include almond milk, you can. So, you want 1/2 cup of each, or a total of 1 cup fluid. Next, you want to add your protein powder. So for me, that would be the strawberry. Don't go with a full scoop. Go with about, I'd estimate 20 grams. Go maybe a bit more. Don't know exactly how to describe the amount, but whatever feels right should be what you go with. For me, it's this amount. We put it in the oats, and I put a little bit too little, so I'm gonna add more. And we are good now. Now for the final steps, it's very simple. You just want to add your sweetener. For me, it's Splenda. And then add your ground flaxseed or alternative. From here, you just want to close up the mixture. It's a bit hard in this container. It's actually quite difficult in this container. Now you just want to mix the mixture for 10 to 15 seconds is a good amount. Once you've shaken the overnight oats, you want to put them in your refrigerator and then clean everything up. I will not provide a time lapse as that is far too difficult to film. Once you've done all that, you just wait overnight for your overnight oats to be finished, and then you can eat them.